All right, y'all, so in total Guggen move, I never hit the record button on my GoPro, and we've been out here fishing for maybe an hour or so. Conditions were pretty crummy when we got out here. Nonetheless, we're already out here. We've caught a handful of snapper. We got one in the cooler, and hoping to catch a few more. There we go. I got something on here. Hold on. I'm on. I'm trying to get this guy. All right. So glad this guy interrupted my intro here, but something came up and slammed that. I wonder what it is. Oh no, cut me off. Darn it. That was on the paddle tail too. Man, that's crummy. Let me pack this guy up here. I don't feel like retying a new leader. Well, that kind of stinks. But anyway, yeah, so I totally messed up the video since we launched. I guess I never hit the record button because it was raining the whole time, and we managed to push through it. So we've been out here for about an hour and a half, hour and a half, and conditions are okay. There's some weather moving in from that side, so we're gonna keep an eye on it, and hopefully we can get on a few more fish. I'm gonna pull up to Jacob over here and I'm gonna show y'all what we're doing. So today we're running these circle hook Swinghead jig heads. I want to give a special shout out to Joe Rizzo. He hooked me up with 6 of them this morning. I met up with him, and he let me have these. So hey man, I really appreciate it. So far we've caught probably a good 7 or 8 snapper with them. We're gonna get back over the reef and you know, hopefully get on some more fish. So y'all stay tuned, we're gonna keep getting after it. Okay, here we go. I think I need to turn around back over the structure. He's on him. There we go. Jacob's got one over here. Let's pull up. Oh, we did drift away. Heck yeah, man. Well, at least we got one on camera. Let me drop to the bottom, see what happens. Something going there. Am I on the bottom already? Oh, something's thumping it. All right, y'all, so in true fashion with the GoPro today, camera died just as I hooked this guy. So we're gonna get him unhooked here shortly and let him go. Y'all can see that Jighead by Joe Rizzo. Appreciate you, man. We're getting on these fish today. Definitely a good day, even though didn't capture much on camera, but we got it done. There we go. Thanks, buddy. Thanks for sticking me. All right, let's get this guy released. Jeez, they're just chewing it off pretty fast because that bait got soft. It's not as hardy as it was. But if not, we're gonna throw the paddle tail at them and see if they're willing to chew on that. Oh, that thing's gone probably. Let's see if they're willing to eat the paddle tail, just because this bait's getting pulled off super easy. Let's see here, because that is looking very good. got one. Not huge, but he will do. Little guy. Here he comes. There he is. Heck yeah. On the Zman paddle tail. Let's see here. He's gone. Let's put the last of the bait on here and see if we can get something. Look through the head. A little bit sturdier. I'm marking some here, about 20 feet. Something's got it. Oh, come on. Hopefully that didn't just... There he is. The drag was loose, but here we go. Little guy. Bring him around if we can. All right. So we're catching them slowly. Let's see. Grab my fish grips. There we go. Come on. There we go. Thanks, little buddy. Let me head over in between the two points I have marked. These birds right here. Glad those storms pushed away. I mean, I'm lit up right here. I might let that go all the way to the bottom. If it even makes it down there. Okay. This drift is just insane today. Oh no. Got me. There he is. All right. Another small guy. We'll do it. We're on him. All right. Let's bring him around. Well. Don't mind my station here today. There he goes. He's on him. He's a good one. Some muscle on him. He's on a good bite over here. I'm gonna see if I can make something happen with this other bait here before I go over there and help him out. Let's see here. Heck yeah, man. Might be close. He's looking good. Oh, that's 17. Oh, dude. See, I finally pulled that
Finally figured it out.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Finally figured it out.
There you go. Let's measure this guy. What's he at? 18, 19, 18 and a half?
18 and a half.
Yeah, we'll do it. Put the slab out, dude. Oh, easy, man. Easy. Don't jump out now. Damn. Nice work, man. Yeah, I'm down to my last bait.
That's probably the 12 o'clock storm. What time
Yeah.
is it?
11:30 probably.
Yeah.
Oh, 12:27, sorry.
Aw,
12:30.
I told
We're
you,
good.
man, get out of here.
Hey, look at that Jighead though. It looks good. I mean, it got a big old
Yeah, that got
tag end, but nice work, man. Let's keep at it. Make sure the nose of our kayak. There we go. All right, also looks like we're salvaging the trip here. Well, not really salvaging the trip, but the video, mainly because the action had been slow there for a little bit. When we got out here this morning, the action was good, but unfortunately I didn't record it. So we're just gonna keep at it here. Probably got about another 30 minutes to fish and then got to start making our way back. I'm marking some here, so let's go ahead and rig this up. Sorry if you can't see that. Here we go. Oh, right through the top of the head. That bait to hold on. I'm gonna throw this out to the bottom. But they're all right there at 20 feet. So let me go ahead and, I mean, they're probably gonna eat it right there. He's on it. He's on it. I think they took it. Nope. They might have chewed it off. Yeah, probably. Yeah, those pick up like that. We're definitely gonna have to get going here. I said probably about another 20 minutes. I think getting back in the surf might be a little sporty, but we'll get it figured out between the two of us. Let's see here. Might try to let that drop to the bottom because I think the snapper that are sitting up here at the top are a lot smaller. We'll see here. That's if that bait didn't get stolen on the way down. There he is. He's okay, small guy. Try to get a little energy there. Look at him. Oh, it's a mangrove. Heck yeah. Haven't caught a mangrove out here yet, but that'll keep. Let's see here. Heck yeah. That's probably what's been tearing up a lot of the bait, is the mangrove snapper just chewing it off. Usually. Finally. All right, let me measure this guy. I don't know if I want to keep him. I want to say they're, you know what? I'm going to measure this guy, but I'm going to let him go. We already got red snapper. Let this guy grow up. He's 13 and a half pretty much. So thanks, little buddy. There he goes. All right, y'all, we're making our way back to the beach now. As you can see, there's a storm rolling behind us. There's another one off to our left here. So we're making our way back now. This morning we actually fished through some rain and we managed to catch a bunch of fish that didn't make it on video because I didn't hit record. Eventually figured it out. So managed to kind of salvage some footage out of this trip, and hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Jacob got some redemption. He ended up catching a couple keepers. We got them in the cooler to bring home for dinner. So I'm pretty happy. We kind of powered through some of the weather, some of the conditions, and managed to get on some fish. It was a super fun day, and you know, hopefully we can get back out here soon and get on some more fish. But appreciate y'all tuning in. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment. If you're not subscribed to the channel, check out my other videos and consider subscribing. I'll catch y'all next time. Hell yeah, dude crushed it. Nice work. We're gonna see here. Trying to avoid these kids. Now it seems like I'm coming in here sideways, but we're good. Come on. Crushed it, dude.